Hello, hi Asad. This is my daily checklist video, and today is the first day of this week. And my work started at 9 a.m. in the morning, and I check out Reddit channel and also check out all the mails conversation over here, and I check out my beta team, and then I go to my daily schedule work. Today my schedule work, I actually research on Golden Crest supplier. So I have got some product over here, and I set it on my ultimate list channel, and this here, please check out over here, and work on KGG ad, and I reply someone mails and set it on rental channel of him detail, and also work on Google Keep on Kodi and daily checklist, and I set and rearrange their work and set it on the rental channel also, and I check out my Emacs bill also today, and there have one remain. I don't get that one yet. So this is my all works today. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.